guys, मैं हूँ अनुष्का and this is my very first video on my brand new YouTube channel Becoming Anushka. And क्योंकि ये मेरा सबसे पहला वीडियो होने जा रहा है, I thought it would be best if it is an introductory video. इससे दो चीज़ें होगी. एक, you guys can know me a little, you guys can know some things about me, and second, कि I can tell you what content I'm coming up with. I mean, what is my purpose behind creating this channel. Okay, so शुरू करते हैं. But stay tuned till the end because end में मैं एक बहुत important update देने वाली हूँ. So yeah, watch this video till the end, please guys. Okay, so समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं exactly कहाँ से शुरू करूँ because I am a lot excited. मेरा सबसे पहला वीडियो है. But okay, so I'm a girl. I'm 17 years old. My name is Anushka. And अभी 2026 में मैंने अपना 12th स्टैंडर्ड पास किया है एंड नीट का एग्ज़ाम दिया है, नीट एंड री नीट का, एंड दिस वॉज माई वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट फॉर दिस एग्ज़ाम. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट दिस थिंग इज़ वर्थ मैंशनिंग. वॉट इज़ वर्थ मैंशनिंग इज़ दैट कि आई एम अ गर्ल, आई एम 17 years old and I have got a lot of dreams, like a lot of dreams. Like you, I've got a lot of dreams. Okay, so करंट स्टेज पे आने से पहले मुझे थोड़ा रिवाइंड करनी पड़ेगी स्टोरी और टेंथ स्टैंडर्ड से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. बट गाइज, दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी बोरिंग. ओके, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी रिलेटेबल, सो प्लीज़ स्टे. ओके, प्लीज़ लिसन. सो या, टेंथ स्टैंडर्ड वाली जो अनुष्का थी, शी वॉज ए इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. ओके, शी वॉज ए टॉपर. ओके, टीचर्स अप्रिशिएटेड हर. स्कूल के जितने भी लोग थे, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ हर क्लास न्यू हर, सो शी हैड अ गुड काइंड ऑफ रीच इन हर स्कूल. ओके, एंड बिकॉज शी वॉज अ ब्राइट चाइल्ड राइट फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड, हर पेरेंट्स वर वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट. ओके, फॉर दैट थिंग, एंड दे हैड लॉट्स ऑफ ड्रीम्स फॉर हर कि हमारी बेटी जब बड़ी होगी तो हम उसे ये बनाएंगे, टू बी स्पेसिफिक डॉक्टर बनाएंगे. एंड टेंथ में आते आते समवेयर जब बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम, मेरी सबसे पहली सीढ़ी थी एक्चुअल में, सबसे पहला चैलेंज था मेरे सामने, तब एवरीवन, लाइक माय मम्मी पापा, माय पेरेंट्स, दे एक्सपेक्टेड मी टू स्कोर सम 95 एंड अबव परसेंटेज इन माय 10th बोर्ड्स. बट बिकॉज I won't say distracted, but because I was little with my studies, I scored only 92%. And I don't think this is worth mentioning. I don't think this is something very important, but still my parents believed in me and they knew that this girl has a lot of talent. She's bright, she's a clever child, and because of that she has to become a doctor. She can become a doctor, and they just started dreaming of it because now this was the time. 10th boards हो गए थे, चूज़ करना था, and choice मेरे पास दो ऑप्शंस थे. बेसिकली दो ऑप्शंस, ठीक है. सबसे पहला ऑप्शन कि मैं जेई करूँ एंड दूसरा ऑप्शन कि मैं नीट करूँ. नाउ देखो, ये चीज़ें मेरे मम्मी पापा ने मुझे नहीं बताई थी कि दिस इज़ व्हाट यू हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. नो, ओके, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कुड विजिबली सी इन द सोसाइटी. मेरे जितने भी क्लास के लोग थे, ईदर दे वर गोइंग फॉर इंजीनियरिंग और दे वर सेलेक्टिंग नीट. ओके, एंड अब मेरी स्टोरी इसमें आती है ऐसे कि आई एक्चुअली हेटेड मैथ्स. Now it is not that I was bad at it. I scored pretty good marks in maths, but the thing is I actually hated this calculations and stuff like that, and so I thought that I hate maths. And because I hate maths and because I score good in biology eventually, that is why I love bio. That is why I would like to have a career in bio. Okay, and to my information, a bright career in bio meant MBBS, meant for you to become a doctor. एंड दिस वॉज नॉट समथिंग जिसके ऊपर से मैं शॉक्ड थी. ये ऐसा नहीं था जो मैंने अभी डिस्कवर किया है, ये मुझे बचपन से पता था कि ओके, दिस इज़ व्हाट माय पेरेंट्स वांट मी टू बिकम, एंड आई नेवर सीम्ड टू बॉदर अबाउट इट बिकॉज मैं ये बैक ऑफ द माइंड अपने लेके चल रही थी कि ओके, डॉक्टर बनना है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, सम टाइम्स इन माई लाइफ आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट कि मैं एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहूँगी. ओके, बिकॉज जब भी in my childhood, जब भी I used to fall sick, okay, like really sick, I used to go to this doctor and they used to just magically cure me. और मुझे जो सुकून मिलता था ना ये देख के कि the smile on my face is being seen by the doctor uncle and he is giving me a smile back, And I used to think in the back of my mind ki how could he feel by treating people and seeing them smile. Okay, I could literally see people out there coming with happy faces. Okay, and this is something very rare. Okay, so I just felt in these certain moments in my life that I could become a doctor. Okay, and these moments were just like finger उंगलियों पे गिनने वाले. Okay, बट आई जस्ट मूव्ड ऑन विद देम. एंड 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद में जब चॉइस का टाइम आया तो मैंने चूज़ किया कि ओके आई बिकम अ डॉक्टर एंड आई वुड गिव नीट एग्ज़ाम. एंड इसके लिए मैं सब छोड़ छाड़ के चली गई अपने मतलब out of the state, and I found a food coaching, and therein I found a hostel for myself, and मैं चली अपनी सपनों की दुनिया बचाने. Okay, now I thought that everything will make sense. Okay, I thought that I would be the same topper that I used to be back in my 10th standard. Okay, I thought that everything will go as I planned. Okay, but somewhere along the way things did not fall at place how I wanted them to. Okay, मेरा थोड़ा बीच बीच में फंबल हो जाता है गाइज, बट मैं इसको कट करके एडिट नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे रॉ इमोशंस रखने हैं. सो या, आई एम जस्ट बीइंग ऑनेस्ट बिफोर यू. ओके, आई फंबल अ लॉट बट प्लीज. सो या, somewhere along the way things did not fall at place like how I wanted them to, and भूल गई थी मैं ये प्रिटेंड करते करते कि मैं प्रिटेंड कर रही हूँ. क्या प्रिटेंड कर रही हूँ? आई एम प्रिटेंडिंग टू हैव गुड मार्क्स. I was actually trying. I was trying to score good. I was trying to keep up with my grades. I was trying to keep up with the people around me, like newly found people. Okay, I was trying to keep up with my parents' expectations. I was trying to keep up with my faculties, and I was trying to understand what they actually taught me. And yeah, somewhere along the way I just forgot that I am just trying. I'm just pretending. Okay, I'm just trying to fit in into that rat race. Okay, and मैंने सोचा कि हाँ, मैं थोड़ा मेरा grades and all ये थोड़ा कम हो गया है, तो इस वजह से आई एम जस्ट बॉदरिंग अबाउट इट, एंड आई शुड नॉट बॉदर दैट मच. रादर देन आई शुड फोकस ऑन माई ग्रेड्स, आई शुड फोकस ऑन माई स्टडीज, एंड वंस आई स्कोर गुड, वंस माई ग्राफ गेट्स गुड, आई विल बी हैप्पी. बट गेस व्हाट, दैट वाज नेवर द केस. Okay, I could never score good, not because I could not study, but because वो जो एक जो click जो मिलता है ना, एक मतलब I don't know how to say it, but something was just not making sense for me. Now many of you will say कि क्योंकि इसका selection नहीं हुआ, that's why she is making an excuse, but I do not care. तो बात ये थी कि I just tried, I just pretended, I just tried to be in the flow, but somewhere along the way things got confusing. Somewhere along the way I went through some really harsh circumstances, almost depressive stage of my life. Okay, and these circumstances made me rethink. Okay, I took a pause and I thought कि just waiting for everything to just make sense is a wrong thing. I myself will have to do something about it. And जिस चीज़ से मैं भागती आ रही हूँ इतने दिनों से, मुझे एक्चुअल में उस चीज़ को फेस करना पड़ेगा. जो सवाल शायद मैंने बैक इन माई 10th स्टैंडर्ड खुद से उतना सीरियसली नहीं पूछा, अब वक्त आ गया है कि मैं उस सवाल को सीरियसली पूछूँ कि इज़ दिस रियली वॉट आई वॉन्ट. ओके, एंड व्हेन आई रियली आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन, एक बॉटम ऑफ द हार्ट में मुझे पता था द आंसर इज़ नो, बट आई वॉज जस्ट फियरिंग कि हाउ विल थिंग्स गो. Okay, how will things change? Will they change or will they not? Okay, if I just answer and open up with a no. Okay, I did not know कि मैं कैसे face करूँगी. Okay, because I am a girl, I belong from a very middle class family, and like other middle class parents, my parents invested lakhs of rupees in this coaching and neat stuff, and that really means a lot for me. But that was not just with money, that was with their expectations, their hopes as well. Okay, and that is why I was too scared to just commit and too scared to just accept the fact that yeah, something is not just clicking, something is just not making the sense, and somewhere along the way I might have taken the wrong path. And the sad thing was कि even when I knew that I might have chosen the wrong thing, I did not know what the right thing is. I did not know what I really want in my life. I did not know what my really true dreams are. Okay. And that was why I found everything was empty. Okay. I could see my identity falling from topper to an average unknown person. Unknown by the faculties, unknown by the friends, unknown by everyone. Okay. I could see my grades falling from 100 to like 20, 30. Truly, yes, this was where I was. Okay. I could see my world slipping. Okay. Slipping from my hands. Okay. There were days in my life where I was just lying on my bed and I could see myself with tears in my eyes, and I was just staring at the ceiling for hours and hours, and I could not know why. I just felt so lost. I just felt so meaningless. And in those times, I did not know what to do. Okay, I do not know how to get up. I mean, yeah. I don't know whether this is what everyone goes through and this is what worth talking about, but I feel that this is worth talking about. This is something very important to mention. Okay, and yeah, I'm mentioning it because whoever is watching me out there, I know you guys might have gone through some similar phases in your life as well, and it's okay, my dear. It's okay. Everyone goes through it, and like me, it's okay for you to express it. All right. So yeah, I just got up then eventually, and I asked this question: is this really what I want? And I got the answer no. Okay, in return, and I stood up tall rather than just falling, rather than just letting my confidence shake and my trust for me break. I stood up tall, okay, and I explored. Now, what do I mean by this word explode is that I explored every single career option that I could think of. Okay. Now, coming back to my 10th standard, I would say कि 10th standard में एक बच्चे को तुम ये responsibility दे देते हो. No one is to blame for that. But in 10th standard, you are assigned with the responsibility to choose a career for yourself, which you would be pursuing for your next 50 years in life at such a young stage, at such a young age, wherein you do not know about yourself. तुम्हें खुद के इंटरेस्ट नहीं पता होते, तुम्हें खुद के बारे में नहीं पता होता. ओके, तुम्हें दुनिया के बारे में नहीं पता होता कि व्हाट इज देयर इन द वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली. ओके, यू आर नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू इट. ओके, many of the households do not even do this basic thing. Okay, and you are just supposed to choose. Okay, among some choices, some options. Okay, not all. And I think this is literally a wrong thing. मतलब तुम responsibility दो, but you should explore, you should know. And yeah, that's okay if you make a mistake. I made a mistake. If you made a mistake, that's okay. That's okay. So 12th पे वापस आता है. 12th में मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें सर्च करी and I finally found that कि there are things that I would really like to do, that I would really enjoy to do for the rest of my life. Okay, there are really good career options out there. Okay, and at this time I did not know कि how I'm going to tell them to my family. Okay, whether they will, मतलब मेरे पास इतना courage था ही नहीं कि मैं उठ के ये सारी चीज़ें बताऊँ. This is what I want to do and NEET is not my thing. Okay, I could not just commit. And ये करते करते ना NEET आ गई थी सर पे, and NEET एग्ज़ाम मुझे देनी थी, and now I could not escape. Okay, I could not just commit anything to my parents. Okay, and I could not help, but I had to give this exam and I gave it. Okay, and I scored pretty good. I would say not bad, but average marks, which was okay. Okay, I put my effort, I tried my best, and whatever I scored was good enough to be called as average score, but not good enough to get me in a good medical college. But that's okay. I think that was for a reason, and along the journey I found my dream, I found my purpose. I really exactly know right now what I want to do in my life. Okay, what life am I building, what version of me I am building, and that is why I think everything made sense to me, that why I could not get into a medical college. Okay, but after all this story, the plot twist is this year I will still be preparing for NEET due to some consequences. Now, I would not maybe able to tell you the consequences, but somewhere along the way, when we get more into content and when you get to know me more, maybe I will tell you. Okay, now this is a stupid thing to you, that would seem stupid to you, I know, but trust me. Okay, I would not mess up with my life, I would never want to. So yeah, तो ये जो करंट स्टेज है मेरी लाइफ का, ये ऐसा स्टेज है जिस स्टेज में मेरे पास कोई कॉलेज नहीं है, जिस स्टेज में मैं देख रही हूँ कि मेरे अराउंड जितने भी लोग हैं, दे आर गोइंग इन टू कॉलेजेस, दे आर एक्साइटेड फॉर देयर न्यू लाइफ, दे आर स्टार्टिंग देयर न्यू लाइव्स आउट देयर, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी फॉर देम, बट समवेयर अलॉन्ग द वे आई फील सो लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. Okay, and I think everyone out there who is still at their homes, who is still trying to figure things out, who is still trying to fit in, who is still trying to get comforted after all this neat leak tragedy and stuff like that, I think it's okay. Okay, and yeah, it's okay for me to take a chance, and that is what I'm doing. I'm taking a chance. Okay, this 1 year I am devoting it to myself. Okay, this 1 year I'm giving myself a chance wherein I build my life from scratch, like literally from scratch. I just know my aim, like my real goal, my ceiling, but the journey is yet to begin, and with you guys I'm beginning this journey, the journey of becoming. Okay, and throughout this journey I will be documenting every single thing, from study struggles to decision fatigues to failures to breakdowns to breakthroughs to success to limelight, to every single thing. Okay, I am trying to become the best version of myself. I have some goals. Okay, in a queue for this one particular year. This year I'm giving myself a chance, a reset year. Okay, and yeah, I'm trying my best to fulfill every single goal that I have set for this particular year. Okay, I'm on the journey of becoming, I'm on the journey of achieving all those dreams that I have. Okay, and I think along the way I'd be documenting everything. Okay, and I'd be sharing every single insight that would bring some value to your life. Okay, that would just help you along your way, your journey. Okay, and I just want to say that if you are someone who's watching me and who's at the same similar phase of life where you are just figuring things out, where you are figuring life out, where you have got some dreams and you're on the journey to achieve them, okay, maybe from scratch, maybe from in between, okay, then this channel, this platform is for you. अगर आपने ये स्टोरी से रिलेट किया है थोड़ा भी, so please stay, because I am coming with lot of fab content. May it be motivation, may it be entertainment, may it be daily life struggle, may it be study routine, may it be tips and tricks, may it be insights, okay, may it be building something of our own, okay, everything out there. I am documenting every single thing. Okay, so this channel is not just going to be any another channel where you just just watch and do not know what you get from it. This channel is going to be the channel where you derive a lot of value from. Okay, and so I just want you to join me on this journey of becoming. Okay, so yeah, it's almost the end, and I just want to say that thank you that you stayed. But one thing, wait, one thing that I want to tell you is that along with this whole journey, the start is going to be the restart series. Okay, I'm going to start with the restart series basically. तो क्या होने वाला है, क्योंकि मैं अपनी लाइफ ज़ीरो से बिल्ड कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं इस एक साल के लिए मैंने खुद को चांस दिया और मैं वो सारे गोल्स अचीव करने वाली हूँ जो मुझे करने हैं इस पर्टिकुलर साल में और फिर लाइफ में भी इवेंचुअली. तो ये जो एक जर्नी है, इस जर्नी की शुरुआत मैं एक रीस्टार्ट सीरीज़ से करूँगी, जहाँ पर मैं ज़ीरो से फिगर आउट करूँगी कि अगर किसी इंसान को शुरू करना है फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, देन व्हाट स्टेप्स शुड ही शी टेक. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू फिगर इट आउट ऑन माई ओन and I will be sharing every single step with you guys. So please, इस रीस्टार्ट सीरीज़ के लिए अगर आप थोड़ी भी एक्साइटेड है या अगर आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा भी इससे आपको हेल्प होगा, सो प्लीज़ स्टे, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर लॉट मोर वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट विद दिस वन सिंगल सीरीज़ दैट इज़ कमिंग अप आफ्टर दिस वीडियो. So please guys, join me on this journey of becoming. Let's figure out life together. Okay, I hope you like this video. This was my very first video, and there will be lots such videos coming up. Okay, I'd be improvising with you guys. Okay, please support me, and thank you that you stayed. Thank you that you listen till the end. It meant a lot to me. And yeah, just subscribe this channel if you relate, if you just felt at home. So stay. All right, love you guys. Bye bye. Coming up with lot more content. Bye. All right.